Let's go. We got a insider buy from Ryan Cohen after hours yesterday. 500,000 shares for 10.8 million. Pretty awesome to see. And the market is absolutely getting destroyed today, which is another down almost 5% day on the Nasdaq. The VIX is at $40 and GameStop's up. Like what? How is GameStop up right now? Like, bruh. How is GameStop up? Like, doesn't even make any sense. Doesn't make any sense. It's pretty funny. But a little bit different of a stream today. I'm actually going to be going through my spreadsheet for once in my life and finding some stocks to buy. I've actually done a little bit today. I bought I'm not buying like that many shares of things, just like little bets, you know, few $100 bets. I don't think I'm gonna do I mean, I bought 2 shares of the SPY so far. I'm gonna probably buy some more shares of the SPY. I bought 10 shares of Chewy back because I miss Chewy. I'm not gonna buy, you know, an insane amount of Chewy, like, but I don't know. I just like Chewy, alright? Get off my back. I like Chewy. And then I bought 10 shares of MGM, and yeah, well, I'm gonna find more. Find more things to buy, maybe. We'll see. I don't know. There's not really that many things I'm interested in. GameStop obviously is the best purchase right now, but I don't know. It's a good time to look at things. You know, I got 400 something companies that I can look at. Might as well check them out. See if there's anything compelling, I guess. I don't know. 6'9", Hugh G, what's up? Kristen, I think that's Kristen. What's up, Kristen? Muma, what's up, Muma? Hope you guys are doing good. Hopefully you're enjoying the this insane stock market we have here. Very interesting. Very interesting. And somehow GameStop's up. Somehow Chewy's up too. Well, it was, but yeah. Don't ask me, man. Don't ask me. So yeah, I'm just gonna be looking through all these companies I've gone through before. Just seeing if they're interesting to buy right now. Like if there's something down like 50% or something, could be cool. Who knows? See, Petco, I still think Petco is somewhat interesting. I don't know why they're. I know they lost 1.3 billion right here, but like it seems like they're maybe on the right path to get back to profit. And they have enough assets, I feel like they can survive. I don't know. It's weird that it's only a 700 market cap. Very weird. I mean, it is a newer company, though, so I don't know. Sub Matt Romano. Yeah, I missed you, Kristen. I was wondering where you've been, bro. I assume you've just been moving, though. I needed a break. Fair enough. I get that. I get that, but I feel like a lot's changed in the past little while. I don't know. The stream vibe's a lot different these days. Martin, what's up, Martin? Hope you're doing good, bro. Jared, what's up, Jared? Oh yeah, it is Friday. Happy Friday, everyone. Going into the weekend. Let's go. Let's go. The vibe is off. I don't know. I don't know what I can do about that. That's up for you guys, honestly. If the vibe's off, I don't know. I feel like I'm on here the same every day. So if the vibe's off, it must be the chat, maybe. I don't know. I don't know what I can say about that. Maybe it's because the market's down. Maybe the vibe's off because you might be losing a lot of money, possibly. I don't know. It happens. I'm cool with it. I can't. I don't know. Is the vibe off? I feel like it's okay. I'm confused. Maybe you're trolling me. All right. Let's see, the thing I messed up with on the spreadsheet is I got lazy and I didn't do notes on like most of these companies. So I don't even know like what like yeah, there's a lot I messed up on with this spreadsheet. I could have done a lot better. Made it a lot easier to research things quicker. So dumb. So I guess I just open a bunch of filings and see if there's anything interesting. I guess that's gonna be the plan. I don't know. Hold up. I'll get the ads. First, let me point out how insane it is. I literally started the stream 7 minutes ago and there's already 13 people in here. Like, let me just say thank you guys. I appreciate you. And let me see if I can do something here. Am I not allowed to give subs anymore? What the hell? Oh, there it is. Let's see if this gives this to any of you guys. But anyway, yeah, just thank you guys. That's crazy. It's insane that people just come in here like that quick, honestly. It's pretty wild. I remember the days when it was like just one or two of us. Or, you know, nobody, honestly. There's a lot of times when it was nobody. So thank you. Thank you to everyone. I see a few names that I recognize that got a membership, so that's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. I see a few names. Didn't give it to really anyone who, like, chats in the chat, though. Which is, whatever. That's what always happens. I don't know, like... I wish I could pick who it gives it to, but it just... just gives it to people who just are lurkers, or they don't even chat in the chat. Like, Martin just said what up. He was one of the first people here. But I've seen Viz Designs and James Price, and I've seen most of those names. Clayton, Yomar. All right. So yeah, really no GameStop news besides the insider buy by Ryan Cohen. And somehow the stock's up 5-6% when the market's down 5%. One of the most historical down market days, and GameStop's up somehow. Like, that's crazy, bro. That's crazy. That's actually crazy. I've been out this week. I'm often down to buy. Oh, what's up, Hugh? What's up? My bad if I missed you. Martin, what's up, Martin? Wall Street lurker. The chicken parm bet hitting nice. All right. I guess let's get right into it. I really like Petco. I think Petco is really interesting. I don't know. It's also a lot of these retail companies besides like GameStop and Chewy are pretty sketch. But like they're also super undervalued, so if the company can turn around, there's a decent amount of upside as well. It's kind of interesting. Jay Crispy, what's up, Jay Crispy? It's good to be a Gme investor. Thank you, Jay Crispy. Oh, that's Moose again. I thought Jay Crispy just gave me a bunch of sub. Well, damn Moose. Damn Moose, that's crazy. Why you gifting so many subs, bro? That's like 25 bucks right there. Thank you, Moose. God bless you, bro. God bless you, Moose. That's like 25 bucks. That's crazy. Much love, Moose. Much love. Too bad it doesn't give it to anyone we know. Except Jeff Argo. I think I've seen that name in here. But other than that, I don't know any of those people. Shout out to Moose, bro. Moose coming in here, showing who's boss, showing why he's the mod of the chat. That's amazing. God bless Moose, bro. Moose is a big supporter of the channel, bro, or of the stream. Crazy. I really appreciate it, Moose. Thank you, bro. Cooking. I think that's funny that Moose just came back from Mexico as well. Maybe you guys partied together and didn't even know. That's wild. Say Ryan Cohen's very right. I guess we'll see. It's only been one day, but dude, it's wild that Bitcoin's not moving. Bitcoin's actually like kind of up, but the market's down 5% and Bitcoin's just chilling, bro. Straight chilling. And then GameStop's up. Like, what? What is this market right now? The market like is like pricing in a rate cut straight up. I mean, there is a rate cut coming in the next like few Fed meetings, but that's like it's interesting. It's hard to research. I didn't even that's why I was so late to the stream. I was researching stocks before I got on here cuz I knew I'd get distracted and start talking about the market. But being able to do research and talk about the market at the same time is not that easy. Yeah, shout out Moose. Shout out Moose, bro. Much love to Moose. Great act of support. And pressure wash them outside and walkways too. Window cleaning too. Wouldn't mind doing that again. Seasonal, so get it while you can. Tax free. Window cleaning's chill. You could look into carpet cleaning, get a buffer, get a vacuum, rake, a few other things. You can make a lot of money doing like carpet cleaning and just cleaning in general. What did Moose do? Oh, he gifted 5 memberships, which is like 25 bucks. So shout out Moose. Shout out Moose. The market cap 2.8. $5 billion in assets. They don't have a lot of cash. But they're doing okay. Consistent income. It's not like growing though. So maybe that's the issue. Maybe that's the thing. We have to be looking for like something that's growing. And it's not even down that much, realistically. I mean, I guess it's down 30% on the year. But it's definitely been lower. I don't know. There's not that many companies I'm like super interested in. MGM's probably really one of the only ones, and Chewy obviously, but and the spy's interesting right now. Scaling into the spy right now is kind of compelling as like just a place to put money, I guess. I got a gifted. Wait. There's 16 people in here, 15 gifted. Me and Hugh didn't get one. That's how that makes sense. I think it just gives it to like subscribers. I don't think it's people who are actually here. It's just random subscribers or random people who've entered the chat before probably. I don't know exactly how it works unless there's really that many lurkers and the number is wrong and there's more than 16 people in here, but I think it's just random subscribers. Because, yeah, there's a lot of those. Jack Reacher. What's up, Jack Reacher? Hope you're doing good. Yeah, I think it does go to anyone who follows. I got a gifted sub this morning from another channel I didn't have on. Interesting. Maverick Trader from Spain. What's up, Maverick Trader? Hope you're doing good, bro. Hope you're having a good day. I've been following Corey for 42,000 years. I've never gotten a free one. It's so weird. JG Murda. What's up, JG Murda? What's up? The wild card from Roaring Kitty? I have no clue. I don't know. I'm just glad my investment's not crashing with the market. That's all I care about. Isaiah. What's up, Isaiah? Get me razzled up. I don't know, bro. What's up? What I was gonna ask you, Isaiah, what playlist tweaks did you see on that channel? Because I actually looked at it and it seemed like there was a new one made, that like new era one. Is that what you were talking about? Because other than that, like I've never paid attention to the playlist, so I don't know how many videos are in what playlist and whatever. Got a membership from an account I wasn't currently streaming before moves. Weird how it works that way. Yeah, that is weird. 500k shares, 10 million by Ryan Cohen. Yep, 10.8 million. Yes, sir. 500,000. Let's go. Let's go. Yomar. Yomar is one of the dudes who just got the membership. Shout out to Yomar. Yomar Ortiz. Appreciate the gifted Corey. Printed 5k this morning on my overnight puts on SPY. Another 1k with a 522 put loaded up into GME long dated calls. Let's go. That's fat, bro. That's fat. That's a fat put hit. Fire, bro. Let's go. That's fire. I'm jealous. I wish I wasn't all in GameStop so I could have shorted the market. I'm jealous. But shout out to Yomar, bro. Let's go, baby. That's a fire play. John Y. What's up, John Y? Telling you guys about the crap. You're not, bruh. You and everyone else, like, you're not, you know, you're not the, you're literally One in 1,000 people who came here and said the market was gonna crash. Like, I don't care. I'm the only one who told people to short it at all-time highs when everyone was bullish, so I don't care. I don't care that it's gonna crash. If you didn't short the market, who cares? Yomar shorted the market. Shout out to Yomar. He actually shorted the market. Anyone who just is saying the market's crashing and they're not short it, I mean, your opinion. I feel like your opinion's irrelevant. I'm sorry. That's just how I feel. If you're not short this market, don't even talk about it because you don't believe in what you're saying. You're just saying things. This is a crash. No, it's just a bear market. I mean, it's what we've been talking about for a while. You're just now fully experiencing it. Now you're in the midst of the bear market. You're in the midst of the bear market now. Gotta put your money where your mouth is. And tell him, Yomar. Tell him, bro. Oh, I like this Yomar guy. I like this Yomar guy, bro. Let's go. Let's go. Gotta put your money where your mouth is, baby. Shout out to Yoma. I like that guy. This is a crash. I mean, I wouldn't consider this a crash. It seems like a bear market to me, not really a crash. I haven't seen no limit down. Yesterday was huge though, down 5.5% on the Nasdaq. That was wild. That's massive. That's insane. Actually insane. This is crazy. I saw it go from 10 videos go to 2, but then I saw he moved his video around and made a separate playlist. Someone had evidence of 2 private videos also showing the playlist. I've seen the 2 private videos, but I just thought he made a new one. I just can't. I don't know how to tell. The sky is always falling. The spy is falling. The spy is falling. Look at that MGM though. Let's go. I'm just kidding. I literally bought 10 shares of it. Like, who gives a shit? I should have bought more, honestly. But I'm just scaling into that position. I think, I don't know. MGM's interesting to me. I don't know why. There's just something about it. Something about it. I'm not, obviously I would never go crazy on it because I got GameStop, but been talking about it for a while. So I guess it's time to scale in now. The eye of the bear market, basically. Like, it's kind of in full effect now. Now it's like, how low do we go and for how long? I don't know if there's any question at this point. But who knows? Anything's possible. It's so volatile, bro. The VIX is like $40 or some shit. It's wild. I have the link of the video. Oh, I can't. You can't post links in the chat. Unfortunately. I can try to find it. 100K in the profile? Nice. That's fire. Market's a good time. Tell me the next resistant level for GME. I mean, 21 probably. I don't know. I don't even focus on the I'm not day trading the stock anymore. I wanted to buy more. Oh, resistance. I have no clue. Probably 23. Where it's sold off a crap ton every time. I thought you said support for some reason. I was thinking support. But yeah, 23, I would say. But who cares? Who cares? If it's not at $50 or $100, like, who cares? Honestly, I don't give a shit about GameStop's price. Straight up. All eyes on GameStop today, though. Up 6% while the whole market's shitting. All eyes on GameStop today, baby. All eyes on me. All eyes on me. News be making it sound like a nuke went off. I haven't even really looked at the news today. I don't really pay attention to that stuff. I'm long, so like I don't care what's happening until the market starts going up, like whatever. Who cares? GFY, what's up? Jiffy. Jiffy in the chat. What's up, bro? What's up? Is it tariffs? It's just the market. It's bear market. I don't. You can say whatever it is. You can say whatever you want. The reality is that the market doesn't go straight up. Sometimes it goes down a lot. And usually when it goes down a lot. And that's all you really need to know. You can give every reason in the world why it's down, but either bet on it or not. Like that's really, I don't know. I don't really. I just can't equate news to a market sell-off. You know, we quad topped the all-time highs. Where else is the market gonna go? It can't go up, obviously. that's just how I think about it. Like news doesn't really. I don't think news matters. Ryan Cohen tweet. Nice. I can't wait for my 10,000 made in the USA iPhone. Wait, what? Oh, my $10,000 made in USA iPhone. That's funny. Oh, man. Many things going on. The economy has been projected by government jobs. Yeah, I don't know. I'm not too worried about it. It's all short-term stuff. 5 years, nobody's gonna be talking about what's happening right now. Man, maybe they'll talk about Liberation Day. I don't know. It's whatever. If it's not about GameStop. I don't know. Much either. I'm ignorant. I mean, it's just the same shit as 2018. 2018 is probably your best reference for a trade war if you want to go learn about it. But yeah, it's whatever. It's just a blip in time, realistically, in my opinion. If the stock market's really done for and over, I mean, whatever. I guess whatever. I guess we're all gonna be poor and we're fucked. I don't know what to tell you. So I have my bet on the upside because I don't think that's gonna happen. My opinion, what stocks? I can't tell you that, bro. You gotta go research yourself and find your own stocks. I have a lot of companies I think that are good, and I don't know, maybe they're not good, but I can't tell you what to do. You gotta figure that out on your own. 31 crash. I don't know about all that, but I don't know about all that. I think it's just a little blip in time. Your best reference is actually 2018 trade war. This isn't '08, I don't think. That'd be wild. But shout out to Yomar. Everyone's so bearish. It's hilarious. It's funny how bearish people are right now because literally like 2 months ago nobody was bearish. Oh shit. It's funny. But now you're getting all the remember this day, people. Remember this conversation. Remember this conversation. What's up, Short Fridays? Oh yeah, shout out Short Fridays. He left I don't know what they're called, but you can leave like a donation in the comments of the video. It's like a super comment. I don't know what it's called, but he left a $10 one or €10. I don't remember what currency it was, but pretty cool. Shout out Short Fridays. Shout out Short Fridays. God bless you, bro. I really dig Yomar. Yeah, Yomar's chill. At least he comes in with a good prediction, you know? A lot of people just say things like he has an exact date. I appreciate that. A lot of detail. I may not necessarily agree because like damn, are we about to limit down, bro? I haven't seen that message in 5 years. I haven't seen that message in 5 years, bro. Holy shit. They're about to limit down, bro. They're about to halt the stock market. That's crazy. That's crazy. They're about to halt the stock market and GameStop's up. Holy shit. Holy shit. That's crazy, dude. They're about to fucking halt the stock market. This is insane. This literally hasn't happened in 5 years. This is crazy. This is crazy, dude. Holy shit. Holy shit. What does that mean? When the S&P 500 drops 7% in a day, they halt the stock market for like 10 or 15 minutes. And then if it drops 12%, they halt it for like 30 minutes. And then if it drops like 15 or something, they close the stock market for the day. It's kind of crazy. But you haven't seen a limit down since 2020. You haven't seen a 7% limit down since 2020. Crazy. Absolutely crazy. Ryan Cohen is following Donald Trump. He closed stores in foreign countries, print tariffs, and wants to buy Bitcoin. He's also favored by Trump families. He keeps buying the stock. I mean, I don't know, but look at crypto right now. Crypto's not down 5% today. Crypto's flat. So I don't know. I don't know. Gme about to rip faces are. Congrats on your huge profits in advance. Not financial advice. I mean, I'm not even worried about it. I believe in GameStop in the 5, 10, 20-year period. So literally anything that's happening right now, it like doesn't matter at all to me. But I appreciate that. Don't fight the new Fed, Trump. Jedi, what's up, Jedi? Just need to have a DFV attitude about the market. Yeah. I think there's a lot of panic right now, but I mean, if you're in the SPY or like your average like top 10, 20 tech stocks, you're getting absolutely fucking wrecked right now. Like you're getting absolutely destroyed. So like, you know, not everyone's all in GameStop, you know. So it's interesting, dude. If we see a limit down today, I'm gonna die of like death. Kid Rock came up with the name Liberation Day. It's his new album. My name is Kid. How many shares do I have? We have to get drunk first before we measure. What? You're weird, bro. Don't be saying weird stuff. I'll let it slide this time, but if you say something weird again, I'm clapping you. Sub hero of the day. Thinking on selling, going full port into GME, baby. Let's see that 13G 6-9. Let's see that 13G, bro. Shut it down. Am I that crazy? I don't know. Are you? They shut it down if S&P does down 7%. They just halt it for 10 minutes or 15. I don't remember exactly. They shut it down if it's like 15%. I'll come back for the tech stocks though. I mean, I honestly wish GameStop was dropping with the market. It's kind of annoying. Like it's kind of annoying that it's up. It's also really awesome. It's also really awesome. It's cool to see. Saw info that GME could buy all outstanding shares back with cash on hand. Is that correct? No, not correct. If it goes back to like $10, I think they can. Or like close to, but no. I will die of death. I will. That's like pretty insane. I literally like I've seen that alert once in my life, or a couple, a couple times throughout that time in 2020, but I haven't seen that message in 5 years. Oh shit. Why are we thinking it's going up besides Cohen buying shares? What? I don't care about, like, it's cool that Ryan Cohen bought shares, but I don't give a shit. Long term, bro. Looking out 5-10 years. It's going up because it's a fire company and it's about to slap. People are too bro, why are people are so like short-term mindset on the stock market. It's so weird. Like, I get it. I used to be a day trader, but like the way some of people like view the stock market is so odd to me. So odd to me. Set to close in bear market. Yep. Just a joke. I know, but I don't know. Just gotta keep it chill in the chat. Do it after your legal name. Has to be your legal name for sure. Down 1.3 M. Nice. Oh, damn. That's insane, bro. Tin inebriation? What? Message just confirmed my theory. I forgot what I said. A lot of new traders are back in. I guess that's true. But it's just weird. It's weird because we've been here before the market started crashing, and there was not this much bearishness back at all-time highs. And then now that it's dropping, everyone's bearish. Like, in my mind, you should be able to like spot the bearishness before it happens, or else and be short too. Like, that's probably the most important part, is actually being short the market if you're gonna talk about it. Wild stuff, though. I can't believe GameStop's up. So funny, dude. This actually has me so dead, bro. Like, how is GameStop up right now? Actually, how? It's actually crazy. How much do I know about the VIX? It's a 30-day average of volatility, basically. Is the best way to view. I mean, that's literally all the VIX is 30-day average of volatility. Like, there's not really much more of it to that. Seagull Dream, what's up, Seagull Dream? Do it! Just do it! What's the volume on GameStop today? It's got to be like decently high, right? 12 million. It's pretty decent. Pretty decent. Well, I'll try to find something to buy, but all I care about is GameStop. So it's kind of difficult. Just seeing GameStop continue to go up, I'm like, damn. 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 Who's this? Who this? I bet the option chain on put for Monday on SPY are going to be stacked, and people about to lose all their gains from this week, thinking this is going to keep tanking. Learn TA people analyze, then execute, thank me later. I mean, or you just buy and hold and don't care about trading. Like, I literally don't care about trading. You've made, yeah, I don't know. Now we know why Buffett's sitting on 300 billion. I draw lines, they never work. It's just gambling. That's all trading is. Like, you can be good at TA if you want, but it's just gambling. The only way you actually are trading is if you have a stop loss. If you're just YOLOing a play, you're not like really actually trading. Like, honestly, you're kind of just YOLOing, and it might work and it might not. And in volatility, it's pretty easy to make money. It's also easy to lose money, but I mean, volatility's a trader's like best friend if they know how to manage their risk and or just are able to position at the correct time. Like, it's a trader's best friend, but you know, I don't know. I don't recommend trading to anyone as much as people want to as much as people want to like make it seem like trading's the easiest thing ever. It's really not. It's more or less just gambling. And it's not easy either. It's not like an easy thing. You can get very emotionally attached to the trading, and then that's when you start losing money, really. It's when you get too emotionally attached. Yomar's just sending dollar bills. Shout out Yomar. Shout out Yomar. Why are you just spamming dollars? uh, Gee, this is a GME channel. Fundamentals are welcome, just not necessary. Start drawing triangles. Like I've traded a lot. I've made a lot of money. I've lost a lot of money trading. But the most amount of money I've made is just buy and hold. Buying at opportune times, or, in GameStop's case, kind of just buying it and learning about it later on. But I don't buy and hold has always been the best for me personally. And it's just like it's nice to not care about what the market's doing. It's really nice to not care. Sometimes gambling's fun. Yeah, gambling's chill, I guess. I don't know. Yeah. I like making money. I don't really necessarily like gambling, I guess. I think we talked about this yesterday. Gambling unless you bet on GameStop. I mean, it's still gambling, but from the looks of it, it looks like GameStop will be here for a very long time. The market, on the other hand, the market's fucked. I'm just kidding. Historically, it should bounce back at some point, but who knows? Who knows? Making it rain. 20 offer in the US, 0% tariff. Some more countries do that. Market saws up and down. Still think market's going down this year, though. Oh, the market's already down. What do you mean? The market's already clapped. I think that's pretty apparent. No, what are you gonna do about it? Are you gonna buy some dips? Are you gonna short it? That's what's interesting. Yomar acting like he at the strip club. Hopefully not. Hopefully he doesn't think like that. That'd be weird. You want me to take off my hat? Probably not. My hair's a mess. Blinded by the rain. We haven't seen a classic peach formation. Can we just discuss everyone's target out price or no? I mean, you can, but I don't think really anyone here has one. I don't think anyone. I mean, there's people that are trading in here, I'm sure. Well, maybe not. I don't know. This isn't really a trading stream. So I don't know how many people like actually trade here, but I don't have a price target. Like I don't even care. Like I think GameStop's going to be here in the next 20, 30 years, so whatever the price is going to be at then, that's what I'm looking at. And anything in between you could take advantage of. I mean, definitely will take advantage of it. But I don't have a price target. I'm going to hold this stock for a really long time, I'm sure. Ben Stiller. If only I could press the button faster. New 6-9 in the house. I can tell you my target is not 2250. Hey, that's a good flip, though. I mean, if you bought the dip the past couple days, that's a decent trade right there. $1.50. Dollar. decent trade. But who cares? Who cares? Shooting for 54 price to sell all so I can buy my dream home and dream warehouse. Nice. Well, hell yeah, bro. If that's what you're aiming for, God bless you. God bless you, my friend. New South Park coming soon, hyped. Yeah, I saw that. I haven't really watched many of the new South Parks. I watched the pandemic special last night actually. That shit was hilarious, bro. You got a chin diaper? I don't think I'm gonna be able to research on stream. I'm gonna have to fucking research over the weekend. There's no, like, I'm too distracted by the chat to be looking up stuff. And I'm just, yeah. It's whatever. I'll figure some things out. Honestly, I don't know why I just didn't buy more GameStop. Some good shit. Some good shit. I think you just stocked out the... Where's a chart these days? Do I have my account open? Oh, nice. Yeah, beautiful. Anyone who was short in here on 2250 just got stopped out. Beautiful! Let's go! That's crazy, bro. Dude, I can't believe this is happening. The market is down fucking... Alright, the market bounced a little bit, but what the hell? The market is down over 4% today, and GameStop is up almost 8%. Like, what the fuck, dude? Like, what the actual fuck? Like, excuse my language, but, like, what the actual fuck? What in the world, dude? What in the world? What's up, Deo? What's up? Tricky One. What's up, Tricky One? Did I go to the gym? Nah. I, like, injured myself the other day, so I took yesterday off, and I slept in today, kind of. I stayed up a little too late. But, yeah. No gym today. I don't know. Yeah. Gotta be careful in there. Getting injured and shit. It's annoying. New day high. I should be in an insane asylum. Up 420%. Nice. That's fire. I am the captain now. Look at me. Dude, that's insane. I was hoping GameStop was gonna drop more and they would do the 100 million buyback. That's what I was hoping. You know how fucking sick it would be if they did that 100 million buyback down there? That'd be so badass. But I guess, you know, unless they're doing it right now, it looks like that's not happening. That'd be crazy if they were doing that buyback right now, though, because, you know, that would be like a reason why GameStop's not shitting today. Kind of interesting. I think I can see Tendy Town off in the distance. Is it out there? I think maybe, I don't know. Maybe. I think I see the plane pulling up. We got a new plane this time. The last plane was like a Spirit plane or something. In bear market rallies, 10% averaging. Or bombing down 78%. Jay Crispy, why are you so bearish, bro? Can you talk about something else other than being bearish? Like, I don't know. Like, you're comparing now to 1929. I don't know. I just can't agree with that. Like I can promise you nobody here cares about your bearish take. Like I can promise you that. Like nobody cares because people aren't bearish here. Buyback, tell me more. They just have $100 million. You were all warned. Well, you were warned too. So you can come back tomorrow if you want, but nobody cares. Like nobody cares. Literally. People say things in the chat all the time. You're like, what the hell, bro? Bearish people are so weird. Like I like Drake Crispy too, but like, come on, bro. Nobody cares. And I've told you this many times before. Literally nobody cares. Yomar, catch you guys later. Gonna play around in golf. Hey, much love, Yomar. You have a good time, bro. You have a good time. Enjoy. But yeah, so GameStop has $100 million buyback that they've had for years that they just have never done. So they could use it, and yeah, that'd be cool. Maybe maybe they are using it. I doubt it, but it would be smart, honestly. While the whole market's absolutely shitting, GameStop's a shining light in the market right now. It's crazy. So if they are using the buybacks right now, that's absolutely genius. Absolutely genius. I care not. Like, nobody cares about people like it. This is not a bearish stream. This is a GameStop stream where we think GameStop's gonna work out in the future. Like, I don't give a fuck about the rest of the market. And I've watched The Spy every single day of my life for the past 6 years. I've watched more Spy than anyone here, probably. Like, fuck, man. Like, I care about GameStop. So talk about GameStop if you're gonna talk about anything. Remember this conversation. Yeah, there's a lot of that, bro. There's a lot of that these days. Remember this. It's weird that they think like I care. That's what's weird. They think I like care about their predictions about the market and whatever. Like, I care about my prediction. I care about my play. I don't give a shit about anything else. If I did, I would, I would be day trading or doing something else. I don't know. It's just the environment we're in. It's the stock market. Everyone's a genius in the stock market. It's just, so it is what it is. And then, everything in the stock market's literally 50-50. So, like, they could be right. They could not be right. And then when they're right, they think they're a genius. It's like, good for you. Did you bet on it? No? All right. Then shut up. Then shut up. All right? You should have bet on it. If you were that confident. I bet on things when I'm confident. People getting clapped is a fun part of the day. Harry Stamper. What's up, Harry Stamper? Let's go. GameStop, baby. The shining light, bro. Your shining knight. Your knight in shining armor right here. GameStop. A knight in shining armor. I've waited so long for the day. What a time to be alive. You buying some dips, 6ix9ine? I'm pouring out to Moas. If we break 23, we're going to 25. I could maybe. 23 is a heavy resistance, so it's possible. But we're up a lot today already. If the market overall could get a boost, that would help GameStop a lot. If the market would stop selling off, that could help a lot. Said BS. He said, she said. It's all about the he said, she said bullshit. We gonna see similar Porsche announcement of VDub? Oh, I have no clue. I don't even know. I know my Spy. I watch Spy Kids a lot. Come on, breakout Jimmy. Just hold on. You gotta just hold on. Seagull. Mikey View. Haven't seen that name in here before. Haven't seen Harry Stamper either. Welcome. Hope you guys are doing good. Moving with the dollar. Oh, I don't know. Maybe. Is the dollar up today? Yeah, the dollar is up. Interesting. That's kind of cool. And you know, crypto's not down either, so you also got to take that into consideration. Crypto's kind of like a safe haven right now. It's kind of interesting. Honestly, this is the first time you've ever seen this, I think, like where the stock market's selling off and crypto's like holding steady. Like I don't think you've ever seen this. Like crypto's up, Bitcoin's up today. Like what, dude? Bitcoin's about to break out to the upside. That's crazy. I don't think you've ever seen this ever in history. I can't think of a time. That's fucking wild, dude. That's absolutely wild. Absolutely wild. What the hell, dude? Nice to meet your channel, bro. Thank you, Mikey View. Appreciate you being here. Hope you're feeling blessed. We'll see how I fare. Hey, God bless you, 6ix9ine. Godspeed, brother. Godspeed. Oh, man. That shit's funny as fuck. What was he waiting for? Oh, he's waiting for this market crash, or this part of the bear market, I guess. He's been ready. He's been ready. Hopefully it works out. That's all I can say, because who knows? Damn, we should have bought more MGM. That shit's fucking fire right now. Holy shit. MGM is crushing. That was a good ass buy. I should have probably bought more than 10 shares. I've been looking at that one for a while. Oh well. Oh well. It'll probably be down tomorrow. Who cares? 10 shares. Fucking 10 shares, bro. Seagull got the Bitcoin binoculars tracking Tendy Town on the horizon. Amen. Dude, that's wild, bro. Yeah, GameStop's kind of more following Bitcoin than the dollar. Like the dollars, yeah. Like let me see if I can do something here. Is it compare? Yeah. Let's see if we can do that. Boom. We get candlesticks. Nice. What? You can't do futures? There we go. Yeah, look at that, bro. Look at that. Look how dude, they're literally like moving the exact same. That's insane. I mean, Bitcoin's way more volatile right now, but the movement is so damn similar. Like the white candles are Bitcoin. But look at that. That's crazy. Good thing my heart is rich. Amen. Amen. Are mortgage loan rates going up? Nah, all the rates are going down. The market's like pricing in a rate cut actually. It's kind of interesting. Fasten your helmet straps, regards. Oh man, should have bought more. Fuck. Son of a bitch. We didn't buy enough. Oh no, we should have bought more. We didn't buy enough. Oh no. That's dope. You can compare Bitcoin, DXY, and Gme. I don't have a DXY up here, but yeah, you can compare stocks together. It's kind of cool. I don't use this tool that often, but you can use it. It's pretty interesting. I function without a helmet. The clock will tick away the hours one by one. Then the time will come when all the waiting's done. The time when you return and find me here and run straight to my waiting arms. If it takes forever, 6ix9ine will wait for you. For 1,000 summers, bro. For 1,000 summers, I will wait for you. Woo! Woo! Bro. What the fuck is going on? What the actual hell is going on, bro? How is GameStop up 9% while the market's down 4%? Makes 0 sense, bro. 0 cents. Oh, man. Are you related to Chad Muska? No. Chad Muska? Oh, that's funny. What an interesting figure to bring up. I'm scared. That is awesome though. Why are you scared? What's there to be scared about? Everyone freaking out freaks me out. I don't like it. Nobody's freaking out. maybe in your side of the your like friends and stuff are freaking out. I don't know. But I don't think anyone here's freaking out. Should we be scared how it's gonna affect you on the daily? What do you mean? I don't know what you mean, Muma. Oh, 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 oh. Not anymore. Nice. That's good to hear, Seagull. Wish I had more money. I'm freaking out. Same. I wish I had more shares. I'm like, damn. 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 Like, I was risking a lot, but I should have, there's a potential I should have risked way more. I'm jacked, but I always jack. How did you guys coordinate that? Are you guys the same person? I don't get how a tariff is gonna affect me. I mean, it'll affect certain items, but probably won't affect much on your. I don't think so. I don't think so, because everything's gonna be made in the U.S. most likely. Ryan Cohen, the gays. Ah. Are you guys? Is Isaiah? I see. I see. Did we just become best friends? Do you like guacamole? I just be buying food these days, paying rent. Yeah, I don't think food will go up that much. Maybe like certain foods, but not all of them. I wouldn't think. I don't know. It's hard to say. So far, the stock's holding up well. What's up, fake roaring kitty? You think so? You think you really think it's holding up well? I don't know. I don't know, fake roaring kitty. I don't know if you know what you're talking about. I don't know if it's holding up. I don't think it's holding up compared to the rest of the market, bro. You know, GameStop's trash, all right? Don't you know? It's trash. It's going to zero. It has no upside potential. Like, I don't even know what you're talking about, bro. I don't even know what you're talking about. Like, who buys GameStop? For real. Who would ever buy it? On the for reals. I should have did better notes on this I wonder what that Mara stock's at. I wonder if that's doing any good. Riot's not doing that good. Yeah, Mara's flat on the day. This thing's trying to bust out of 323, bro. This is sick. This is sick, bro. If we get a bounce on the market, I feel like GameStop's gonna be fire. I don't know. This is so weird. This is so fucking weird. Never in my life have I seen crypto go up and the market be selling off. Never in my life. I just can't get over it. I don't even know like what to say about it. Tomorrow calls. Nice. Raise the price of chicken and waffles. Make some sort of news. Maybe, I don't know. I mean, people are gonna see it no matter what. Like GameStop's up 9% today. It's definitely. I bet it's on one of the top gainers of the day. No, it's not here for some reason. It should be. It's up more than all of these. I don't know. They'll probably try to ignore it as much as possible, realistically. but anyone who's actually paying attention to the market definitely sees it. The price of fish goes way up from tariffs because you'd be affected most. He probably wouldn't care. Dirty Mike, what's up, Dirty Mike? Hope you're doing good, bro. It's a GME thing. There's your breakout of 23. There's your breakout of 23. Market's going up too a little bit. Little pop on the market. There you go. Starting to break into 23, which has been pretty key resistance. You've sold off about 8% every time you've tapped 23 since last week. So this will be very, very solid if we can start climbing in 23 and possibly reclaim 24 and 25. It'll be very good. Very good. But it's also likely you get resistance here again. So we'll see what happens. It's looking great. What's up, Trader Twin Dad? James Price. What's up, James Price? You got gifted a membership today. Shout out to James Price. He'll say retail spent their tax refund to save the meme stock. Like 10K share order just filled. Nice. Nice. Thank you, sir. No, thank you. Thank you for supporting the stream, my friend. God bless you. It's a beautiful day for GameStop holders. A beautiful day. I'm sure if you're a GameStop holder right now, you're pretty satisfied with your investment as of this moment right now, considering the rest of the market. How's the stream doing today? 40, there's 40 people here right now. Holy guacamole, bro. That's a lot of people. You guys need to hit that like button. That's crazy, though. That's crazy. That's a lot of people, bro. That's a lot of people. A lot of people interested in GameStop right now, apparently. It's kind of weird. Kind of weird. God bless all of you, though. Especially if you're long GameStop. I'm sure this is just really cool to see, you know? For me, it's really cool to see. Like, I'm not really that excited yet, you know? But, like, to see the market down as much as it is and GameStop just doing its thing, like, that's awesome. Trump extends TikTok deadline for the second time. Smash the like button. Support this, fam. Hey, God bless you, James Price. GME, U, HYMC. Let's go. Let's go. I'm excited but ready to go home. Is your house on the moon? Will you invite me over? I've never been on a house I've never been to a house on the moon before. I need an invitation. Waiting for Moomin to tickle that like button like a little freak over here. I want to go. Well, hopefully you stacked up a little bit. Hopefully you stacked up a little bit. That's all I can say. Because we'll be on it. Well, maybe we'll be on our way. Who knows? Who knows? As days go by, it looks interesting. 60K shares. What the fuck, bro? That's insane if you're being serious. You're an animal. You're an animal, my friend. Hey, small fry. Small fry. Bro, I forgot it was Friday. Small fry. God bless you, bro. Every week, small fry. Supporting the stream, bro. Small fry. I appreciate you, bro. For real. Thank you, my friend. That's crazy. It's crazy that you come in here every week and bless me up, bro. Every single week. Without fail. For like 3 months now. Shout out to Small Fry, bro. Shout out to Small Fry. The Big G. The Big G. Aiming for your eyes. 1.1 mil-ish deep in GME. Damn. Damn. Let's go. Indecent. What's up, Indecent? Uranus is closed off to Corey only. Damn. Large fry is rich. Something. Small fry's got something up his sleeve. I don't know what's going on there. That's crazy that he comes in here every week and donates 20 bucks, like, without fail. That's just wild to me. Absolutely wild. I can't get over it. Every Friday I'm just like, what? He's still doing it? He's still going? Like, I was expecting, like, maybe, you know, I wasn't expecting him to keep going. Wild. Huss, what's up, Huss? How you doing, bro? Everyone's excited about GameStop today, I see. This is one of our bigger streams, I feel like. Kind of interesting. Kind of interesting. Oh, man. Oh, man. How does it feel? What a day to have a day off. For real. Perfect day. Perfect day. Hasn't been that exciting the whole week. I mean, yesterday was pretty crazy. Yesterday was pretty crazy. You don't see very many down 6% days on the NASDAQ. Oh shit. Wild. Wild. Look at Apple, bro. Apple got absolutely crushed. Like, what? This is absolutely incredible, bro. Absolutely incredible. And then there's Bitcoin. You're approaching 84.5k resistance on Bitcoin, but if it can break out of that, crazy. This is amazing. This is amazing. Amazing. Trying not to think about Gme. I know, he should have been here today. He should have been here today. Hopefully cracked and saw things took a turn. I mean, hopefully he just saw the Ryan Cohen buy. Like, realistically, who cares about the price? Like, 23 is not that exciting. What's exciting for what's exciting for me is that GameStop's up while the market's absolutely clapping. But it's not 23. Come on. Come on. This is a little flip right here. A little day trade flip. This isn't what we're looking for. 20% cheaper on Monday? For real, that's what I was thinking. I'm like, damn, I hope so. I hope you're right. I can't believe a bear got a membership, though. That's sad. That's sad. Why do we give a bear a membership? Freaking YouTube. YouTube should let me pick who gets the memberships. I'm not a bear, I'm telling the truth. Sounds pretty bearish. You don't know what the stock's gonna do. So you have no clue what you're talking about. So you just shouldn't even say anything. And if you think it's gonna go down 20%, short it. And then tell me how that goes. KCR, what's up, KCR? Have I been here since $10? I've been here for a long time. I've been doing the stock market longer than you. I haven't been in GameStop since $10, no, but I don't know why that matters. I know how the stock market works. I'm sad that guy got a membership. He sucks. That guy sucks. I hate people who try to argue about dumb shit. It's going down 20% tomorrow. The stock market's not even open tomorrow, but it's going down 20%. Oh, he said Monday. I thought he said tomorrow for some reason. But still, like, I don't know. People are fucking weird. Like, if you really think it's going down 20%, short it and shut up. Short the fucking stock and shut up. Oh, what's up, KCR? It's a weekend now. Nice. I mean, you got a lot of good things to look forward to right now. It's great. I'm getting so much more if that's the case. I can predict the future. Same. Future! Future! Yeah, hopefully KCR is doing good. Just load a GME call for 411. Nice jack. Hopefully it goes well. I don't trade options personally, but hopefully it goes well for you. He got a membership and thought he was him. Now he's bearish and he thinks he's him. It's these bearish kids. Maybe it's not even, I don't know. It's people who have an opinion without even shorting the stock. It's just like, I don't know how to describe it because I don't understand it. I gotta work tomorrow. KCR could be worse. Hey, working's chill. Get that paycheck. Get that paycheck. The day off, refuse to think about work stress till Monday. Nice. 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. just waiting. Damn. Working on a Saturday is not chill. I mean, I guess I don't know. I don't. Every day is kind of the same to me, so like, I don't really look at the weekend like the weekend. Work is not chill. I mean, I don't know. I guess I disagree. I mean, I don't really work, but like, I don't have any times I've have worked. I don't have like any what's the word I'm looking for? Results may vary. Yeah, I guess that's fair. That's fair. We'll just leave it at that. Expect so much from us. Bring in lots of money. Projects are a grind. Hard to explain over text. Because you don't slave for pay. I mean, I have. I know what working's like. That's how I'm in the position I am. It's because I've worked and saved. So I know what working's like. And I don't necessarily like hate working. I enjoy making money, so working's chill to me. But yeah, results may vary. I guess it also depends what you're doing. It's the weekend and GME's going up. Hopefully. I mean, it's up. We'll see if it's going up. Hopefully it's going up. That would be fun. That'd be a good time. I mean, at least you got like a kind of a reference point. Now you can just look at the price of Bitcoin and kind of have an idea of where GameStop's going to be. At least that's what it seems like. Getting high traffic notifications from brokers. What does that mean? Just a lot of people logging on. I could see it. It's usually times like this people start acting, whether they sell for a loss or buy the dip. $688 million. They're profitable. Thank you, Elvis. Thank you, bro. God bless you, Elvis. I appreciate that. Shout out to Elvis, bro. I like Elvis. OG right there. OG. Swell quality approach, juggling 20 projects at once. Yeah, selling. Elvis is the only cool bear. Exactly. See, Elvis at least has respect, you know? When I tell Elvis to like change up, he did it for me. So God bless Elvis. Everyone else, they're like, no, the stock market's trash. GameStop's trash. I can't change it. I can only type about this. I can't talk about anything else. So shout out to Elvis. Shout out to Elvis. That's very, very dope. How you getting some of these? You getting some of these spy dips, Elvis? Or VOO, I guess. King of Rock and Troll has entered the building. First name, last name, what's up? Haven't seen that. Haven't seen either of those names in here before. A first or a last name. Insane day indeed. Pretty exciting. I thought we were going to limit down. That would have been crazy. So is GME moving with Bitcoin? Yeah, pretty much. Pretty much. Close out one. My 22 calls, nice. Fire. Fire. I would probably take profit. Like if I felt like trading still, I would probably take profits here, but honestly at this point I think I'm just gonna hold. I don't really care about day trading anymore. Like I cared for a little bit, but at this point I don't care. They can send it as low as they want. I'll just buy more. Too many companies. Ooh, nerdy. This was a good one back in the day. I wonder where this is at. Oh, rip. I was looking at this when it was back at like 90 cents. I think I actually made money on that. A little bit. Just a small position. Corsair. Trash. I don't know. I really got to do this on my own time. It's too hard to do this live because I don't know. For some reason, it's just kind of distracting. That's crazy that JetBlue is approaching all-time lows. JetBlue is actually, like, in my opinion, an okay airline pick. I can't believe it's all the way back down there again. I like AAL the most, I think, but JetBlue is probably second. But airlines are trash right now. Holy. Holy. Ooh, I wonder what SoFi is at. SoFi is decent. Damn, SoFi is retracing the old breakout. That's pretty fire. I like SoFi a lot. I'd want it. I mean, it'd be a decent buy just because of Bitcoin Depot. Damn, I remember this thing. Wonder where this is at. Show me the chart. Interesting. Grinding the sector for 9 years. Looking to escape to a less stressful job. Nice. Even if it pays less. Yeah, that's fire. That's fire. Sold SoFi at highs and got more GME. Nice. Nice. Health over wealth, baby. Amen. Amen. I agree with that 100%. I mean, I think wealth is pretty important still, but health is top of the line for sure. You can buy your health with wealth. Uh yes and no. You can increase your health with wealth. You can also buy a lot of Doritos. Very true. What the hell? This thing's getting clapped. 17 billion. What? Very interesting. Damn. I can't believe the market's down 5% again. $42 VIX. Traders betting Fed will cut rates at least 4 times this year to bail out the economy? What? I don't think that. Things change, like people's opinions change so quick sometimes. They're still pricing in a rate cut in June. I don't know what the. Oh, another one in July. Yeah, they okay. They kind of are pricing in 4 rate cuts now. Very interesting. I don't know if that's gonna happen though. Just because the market's going down, I don't think that's a reality. Everyone's opinion on the economy, I don't think the economy is as bad as people think it is, so it's kind of weird. If they cut rates, inflation's just going to go up again. So I don't know. We'll see what happens. We'll see what happens, I guess. I think the market's very irrational right now. Bruh. Come on, bruh. Runs deep. That's why the stress was getting to me yesterday. I mean, if you think you're gonna get wealthy, like I don't know, I don't want to say, I do want to say this because if you think you're like gonna get wealthy and rich overnight, that's just not, it's not a reality. Like you have to work and like make good decisions to get to that place. That's all I can say. But I mean, we'll see what happens. I don't know. I don't like, personally, I don't like the like retirement mentality, I guess. Cuz I think working's important. Get to a point where you can actually like just pick what you want to do but still be able to work and stuff. That was never my belief. All right, that's good. Cuz I don't know. It's I think the time frame's important because if you're thinking a time frame 5 to 10 years from now, I don't see why you would be stressed because you don't even know what 5 to 10 years from now looks like. If you're thinking this is going to hit in the next like year or two, then I could understand why you're stressed about it. I guess I don't know if that makes sense. Hopefully it makes sense. Oh yeah, I wanted to read this article. I think that's like one of the only articles though. Let's not have this talk again. I think GME is a good long-term investment. I'm just saying, there's if you truly believe that, there's I don't know I just can't understand why there would be stress about it. Cuz you don't even know, like I said, you don't even know what 5-10 years from now looks like. None of us do. A lot of people think they know what it's going to do in the short term, sure. But nobody knows what 5 to 10 years out looks like. So I don't know. And I personally think if everything goes wrong, if literally everything goes wrong, I still think GameStop's going to be like a $20 stock. So, like, I don't know. I can't, I guess I just can't relate, is what I'm trying to get at. Because I'm looking out 5, 10, 20, 30 years. So, like, nothing, like, there's no stress. When I was first into this stock and all I was thinking about was it going up the next week or two, that's when it was more stressful. But once I finally accepted that that that's what it is an actual long-term investment, a lot less stress, a lot less caring when you're worried about every dollar move, every percent. I could understand why it's stressful. I'll go crazy if I don't do something for sure, but full-time labor can either be worked or reduced. Trying to make dollars, Moas, baby. Don't make dollars, it don't make sense. Won't you let the pimping commence? I agree, GameStop floor is pretty solid. Debt is always stressful. I could be that. I don't know though. Who knows? Who knows? Who knows if this is GameStop's floor? It kind of looks like it, but who knows? Who knows? Well, live different lives, so not being able to relate is no problem. Yeah, that's all I can. I don't know. All I can talk about is my perspective because there's no stress on from in my end. Like I truly believe in this, and I also the outcome doesn't really matter to me either, even if I'm wrong. So I can only share my perspective and hope that maybe it'll help in some way. Because, yeah, I don't know. Because I guess I just know where you're at. I've been doing this stock market stuff a long time. I know what it's like to be stressed out about the price action of every day and thinking about the investment all the time, and I know what it's like. So I understand a little bit, but I can just share the things that help me, I guess. How much is the cash worth to the stock market price? Like $11 or something, 10 or 11, something like that. But you have a whole business attached to it in Bitcoin, So, there is a definite floor on GameStop, but it doesn't mean that it can't go down to those prices again. It just makes it very likely that you'll get bids if it does go down to those prices. I see GameStop going to 15, but the floor still looks pretty solid. Yeah. What a unique day. Amen. Very unique. The only thing I know 5 years from now is that you'll be 1,825 days older. Damn. Damn. Holy shit. That's crazy, dude. That's crazy. Whoa, dude. Wow. Oh. Wait, did you say I didn't hear about the cash? It's like 10, 11 bucks. But like I said, it doesn't mean, it can't go back to those prices. It just means that you're likely to get a bid there. Just because of like value investors and yeah. At those prices, it's an amazing buy. At these prices, it's in my opinion a pretty good buy. So at those prices, it's even crazier. Never invest something you're not willing to lose over everything. That's what I think. Yeah, I agree. If you can afford losing everything, then go for it, or risking it big. Hey, go for it. Yeah, you gotta have like smart plays though. There's a lot of people that risk it all on like options that expire the next week. Like that's not smart. At least this you have, you're like you're doing, you're playing the stock market for what it was invented for, like in this scenario, in the GameStop scenario, like that's what the stock market was invented for, buying and holding businesses you believe in. So like, this is completely different than if you were to like risk huge on some option play or something. Like at least this has like this makes sense from a financial perspective because you're not doing anything different from what like most people do who invest. They just buy stocks and hold. So like, yeah, I mean, I don't know. I just, yeah, sometimes risking it huge isn't a good idea if you're if you're risking it huge into something that is just insane. Like, of course, risking huge on insane things, there's an insane payout, but you got a lot of ground to cover if you get clapped. Dropping the big brain facts. Shares def safer plus GME isn't going to bankrupt soon. Might not go to price action that you want, but that's just investing. Yep, I agree. It's as soon. Remove the soon. GameStop's not going bankrupt ever. There's absolute, as long as interest rates are like above 3%, GameStop's not going anywhere. It's here to stay. And they're gonna the business is gonna be profitable next year or this year, so yeah, GameStop's not going anywhere. No way. Even if Bitcoin goes to fucking $0, GameStop's not going anywhere. If net profit doubles and keeps growing each quarter, then the stock will rocket, in my opinion. MOAS unlikely. I mean, MOAS isn't, definitely not my base case. I think MOAS is a less than 1% chance, but I agree. As long as the profits keep growing. And who knows? Yeah. I think it's still going to be volatile on the way up, but, overall, year by year, it should continue to go up. Quarter by quarter, that's debatable, Gme up 100% year over year. Is that bad? Asking for a bear? Worst week for SPY since COVID. Storms are brewing. Crazy. Crazy. I, I'm very, I'm happy to be a GameStop investor, but it would have been fun to be uh, trading the market right now for sure. It would have been a good time. Or it would have been really stressful. That's also a possibility. But yeah, GameStop's they're definitely profiting double next year, unless they go all in Bitcoin and it drops 50%. Then I don't know if they'll post a profit, but I've estimated 250 million at the low end, up to 300 million for profit. And if Bitcoin does like extremely well, uh, you can do more. I do appreciate it. I appreciate you too, KCR. Much love, bro. I'm sorry. I think I missed your message. That's my bad. That's my bad. Sometimes I like read it in my head and then don't read it out loud. So that's my bad. Bought 20 shares in pre-market to get 1169. Been fun nibbling the past couple weeks. Let's go. Let's go. I didn't buy enough dip. I didn't buy enough dip. It's all good though. Who knows? Who knows where it goes? Next few months, maybe we'll get some. It's my opinion on Michael Saylor, MSTR. I don't really have an opinion. I think what he did with MSTR is interesting, but I don't really have an opinion other than that. I would never buy the stock. I would buy a GameStop or just Bitcoin. I think it's an interesting strategy though, and I think as long as Bitcoin continues to go up, MSTR will continue to do well. But MSTR has nothing besides Bitcoin. So I mean, when I think about MicroStrategy, that's all I think about is Bitcoin. Is whatever the price of Bitcoin is gonna dictate whether MicroStrategy is good or not. And that's what I like about, at first I didn't like the Bitcoin play on GameStop. If anyone's been here for long enough, you guys know that. But then, I learned about it, started to understand it, and now GameStop's the best Bitcoin play in my opinion because you get all the upside of Bitcoin plus more, and then the downside of a legitimate business. So it's very interesting. You cursed me out when I talked about them buying Bitcoin. Maybe. I mean, I can't say I didn't do that. It seems unlikely. Doesn't seem like a thing I would really do. Maybe I talked a little shit, but if I did, my bad. My bad. Bitcoin's just a layer of GME. It's great. Yep. Knowledge is powerful. Amen. Amen. I mean, looking back at it, it would have been a good selling point for the stock, Would have been a really good selling point for the stock, but it's just, that's the funny thing with this stock. Every time it gets to a good selling point, something else happens, and then it becomes even more exciting. And then I become more bullish, and I'm like, damn, now I don't want to sell even more. it's a very interesting stock for sure. Michael Saylor replied to Ryan Cohen. What did he say? Gme actually bought Bitcoin yet, or is it just able to? I think it's just able to. Nobody knows for sure. It seems like they've bought it already, but I don't think anyone actually knows. Gme is one of the only stocks up today. Yep. Can't wait to see some of the stuff GameStop's been working on behind the scenes to transform to the digital age. No idea when, but I can't wait. Amen. Who knows what they have up their sleeve, bro? This is just the beginning, and it already looks phenomenal. Like, who knows what else? Oh, Chewy dropped more. That's sad. Now I'm getting clapped. Dude, how down is the SPY right now? Are we about to get limited? Holy shit, down 6%. Holy shit. Holy guacamole. Holy guacamole. I know this is dumb, but I'm gonna scale in some more stuff. Why not? Fuck it. I don't know how many of these I need to sell. I just have a lot of bonds, and like, if bond rates are gonna go down, it's honestly more beneficial for me to like scale small into like the SPY and some of these other stocks I believe in, because I mean, if things turn around and start going up again, and I'm stuck with bonds at like 3%, it's not very great going forward for me personally. Oh shit, not 101. No. No, I'm not buying 101. Goodness gracious. Chill. Chill. Okay, it bounced $1 the second I Okay, I guess I'm not getting filled on that. I guess I'm not getting filled on that. Whatever. I'm buying 10 more Chewy too. I like Chewy. I like Chewy. MGM still chilling. And then whatever. Secor, I can chime in once in a while. What's up, Jared? Hopefully you're having a good day. GME being up 9% on the day would be big. GME being up 9% while the SPY is down 6% is crazy. Yeah, and dude, forget GameStop. Like the fact Bitcoin isn't down like 10% today. That's interesting. You know, we're all excited about GameStop because we're all in it, but crypto is what is interesting right now. How is the market shitting this hard and crypto is just like nothing's happening. Like literally nothing is happening at crypto over there in crypto land. Like what the hell? Like literally nothing. Okay. I can't believe it didn't fill me on that. Whatever. If it doesn't fill me in a minute, I'll change it. I'll be right back though. Okay. YOLO. Wait, did I get filled on that? Oh, pretty close. I don't want to change it, so hopefully it just does it. Ever thought of going full office worker, like taking Series 7, becoming a stockbroker at a hedge fund? I've considered it, but I don't think I would enjoy that personally. I like the freedom of what I'm doing. Like, I could I bought quite a, like, not a ton on the dip, but I bought a decent amount on the dip. Like, I could sell some shares right now, and that would have been like $500-600 profit for the week. I think like four or 500 actually, maybe. I think, yeah, we'll say 4 or 500. So like, if I can just do that, like, that's sick. It's just, for me personally, that's not what I'm interested in right now. So like, I don't know. I'd rather just work for myself, I guess, is the point I'm trying to get at. And you have to do a lot of like classes to get those licenses. You have to spend a lot of money and a lot of time and effort to learn a lot of things that to me don't really matter. But I've definitely considered it. I just don't think like I would ever do it. I would I like what I'm doing right now, man. Like, just being here on YouTube, talking to my people, maybe someone learns on the way, This is what I like. Damn, 2330? Woo! Let's go. You're breaking that 23 resistance. Breaking that 23 resistance, baby. Wait, I didn't get filled on my SPY? What the hell? What the hell? I thought it was gonna fill me. That's so annoying. What the hell? I wanted to be filled on my SPY, man. I wanted to get filled on my SPY, man. Whatever. Who cares? I guess I'm not getting filled on my SPY. No tariffs on Bitcoin. That's a new high a day. No tariffs on Bitcoin. Amen. Bitcoin will be the last thing they sell off now, knowing Ryan Cohen wants to buy it cheap. I mean, there's a lot of people looking to buy Bitcoin right now. We're just one of the bigger players. Heard the fun starts and the VIX goes past 46. Ryan Cohen could have already purchased. Maybe. GameStop hot. Hot, baby. Hot. It's good. It's good to see, like, see on the volume profile, you're actually getting volume traded in these higher prices. Whereas, like, down here, you tried to hit higher prices, but volume wasn't getting traded. And that's why you just bid immediately back up, because there's really nobody trying to short the price lower. So it's good. It's good to see a lot of volume here. But you're also hitting a wall here, it looks like. Pretty big wall. A Tim wall. But if we can keep going, that's amazing. As long as you keep trading volume and the price keeps going up, like, beautiful. 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 Holy shit. Holy shit. GameStop, baby. GameStop. 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 What a time to be alive. So a wise man once said, "What a time to be alive." A wise man once said, "Ooh, shit." That's crazy. Woo! Wow. 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 What the fuck is this shit, dude? Oh, man. What is this, bro? Oh, man, that's crazy. Alex Schur, what's up, Alex Schur? James Price, what up? Breaking through the wall. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. It's like the Macho Man. What you gonna do, brother? More shares, the better. Jimmy's the cool. What did little doofus do? What the hell more am I called? Oh well, shoulda, coulda, woulda. Shoulda, coulda, woulda. Once you want to sell, some shit like this happens. Can't make this up. Kind of. That's volatility. That's volatility for you. Yo, NSO. What's up? What's up, yo, NSO? What's up? If/when GME starts mooning, I'll be right here with y'all. I'm every day here. Got addicted to Corey's stream. that seems to happen to a lot of people. I don't know why. I guess I'm a better host than I think. I don't know. For me, I'm like, why does anyone even listen to this? And then I hear that a lot. A lot of people say they're addicted to the stream. Which is so funny. Oh, so funny. I love that. I love that. Shit's crack. Crack cocaine. Damn, son. Damn, son. You got a breakout of the old... I mean, ideally we keep going into 24. If it starts selling off here, that kind of sucks. But ideally we keep going. But it's going to be, you know, it's going to be a lot of resistance on the way. People are going to be taking profits, you know. People are going to be trying to short. Yada, yada, yada. Like, even I kind of want to take some profits right now. But we'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. News happens when Alex shows up. The community is great people. Amen. Yeah, the good community here. It's come a long way. The community's for sure come a long way. I like to dedicate my wealth to degens on Reddit and to the man who wore Kirby Mario hats on live stream. We don't see price ticker on the black stream. Oh yeah, I realize that. I realize that. It's just the trading view chart's 15 minutes behind. So I can't yeah, I'm sorry. I'm kind of watching. So I'm sorry. But the price is 23.4 if you were wondering. $50 people, damn. Much love to everyone here. Hopefully your long GameStop. I'm sure this is really exciting for anyone who's been long GameStop for a while to see the market down 6% and GameStop up 11%, bro. Like that's got to feel good for a lot of people. I mean, it feels good for me. I obviously, you know, I'm expecting a lot higher prices on GameStop, but that's absolutely incredible that GameStop's up today. Absolutely incredible. VIX needs to go up for GME to really go up. Why do you say that? VIX is pretty much just, I mean, we'll see. I don't know. We'll see. I don't know how much the VIX actually affects GameStop, but what was the VIX at back in May, June? Yeah, back in May, June, the VIX was like barely even up. So I don't know. I don't know if the VIX matters for GameStop. Obviously, it, you know, for volatility in general, it matters, but yeah, we'll see. We'll see what happens. Feels good. Well, hopefully the rally can continue. That would be sick. I feel good. I feel good. I knew that I would now. So good. So nice. What's the volume on this? Where the hell is it? Where the hell is it? Somewhere right here. I can't find it for some reason. Oh, maybe it's not on here. Maybe it's not on here. I forget. Jesus. There's a lot of companies on this watch list. Can I not add another one? What's going on here? Oh, there it is. There's Chewy. So where's GameStop? Oh, there it is. 15 million volume today. Or 16 million. And you still got another hour. Pretty sick. Pretty sick. I haven't seen it this low in so long. $2.50 a share. I mean, it is a it is a company pretty much going towards bankruptcy, so it makes sense. A lot of eyes on GME. Oh, I'm sure there's a lot of eyes on. I mean, look at the stream. There's a lot of eyes on GameStop. The streams tells you everything you need to know. Wild. Wild stuff. All eyes on me. All eyes on me. Is there really 50 people here today? Damn. That's wild, bro. Big stream. Big stream. Make sure you guys hit that like button. Oh, damn. We got 30 likes today? That's crazy. That's a lot of likes. Shout out to everyone here. If it's your first time, welcome. We stream every day during the market, so feel free to come back. John Y, I'll give you one warning, but don't be saying weird stuff in my chat. You get one warning. One, only one. Everybody gets one, but then there's no mercy after that. No mercy in this dojo. All right. I guess we'll just watch a GameStop chart. There's not really, besides this, I wanted to read this article, but I'll just read it later or something. Seagull, what's up? Love the stream. And much love, John Y. Much love, bro. I just gotta keep the chat under control as much as I can. You give people an inch, they take a mile, you know? So can't let anything slide. Damn. This is crazy. This is crazy. Yeah, I'm almost profitable on this account again. Almost. We're $73 away. Go, 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 go. I was down like over 3 grand on this shit. Just this one. I don't even look at my account like ever. Who knows what that thing's doing? Last time I looked at that thing, it looked disgusting. Brought my posse to the stream. Oh, welcome the friends of Deo. Welcome. I'm here too. Moose again. Shout out Moose again. Our mod. The big G in the house. The big G. What's the SPY doing? SPY's still selling off. I mean, at least you didn't hit the limit today, but you're pretty close to hitting the limit. Holy shit. That is so massive, bro. That is so massive. That candle is insane. Oops. I tried to put /GME. That doesn't work. Solid bid. Solid bid for the week. And that daily, that looks pretty great. We don't see price on. Oh yeah, I know, Alex. Sure, but I'm using this today. So I'm sorry that you can't see the ticker, but I mean, you can kind of see it. You can like barely see it. But yeah, I'm on this account right now, and there's no way to make it white, I don't think. So we're kind of stuck with the black. At least I don't think I can make it. Let me see. Let me see here. Whoops. Well, maybe you can. Oh, white looks terrible though. How about classic? That didn't change much. I probably shouldn't be messing with this. Whatever, I guess we'll try it. Oh, that looks so garbage, though. I don't like that. I'm too used to it. Like, I've never used the light version of this before. It's so weird looking. My eyes! My leg! My eyes! It burns! It burns! Yeah, I can't do that. I can't do that. That's too white. That's a little too white. I don't mind it, but like holy shit, the Thinkorswim one is insane. That shit is like that was blinding me through the glasses. I was like, holy. Gonna pick up Switch 2. Nah, I'm not. I don't think. At least not for now. Maybe later down the road. I don't really play games, so it would be kind of pointless for me to get a Switch 2. Very excited for it. Nice. Let's go, John Y. That'll be fun. Imagine Ryan Cohen bought another 500K worth of shares today. That'd be wild. That'd be wild. I think it'd be sick if they were doing the buyback this whole time. That would be really cool. Because, you know, Ryan Cohen's little $10 million share purchase, how the market reacted off that, like, imagine $100 million buyback. Like, the market would really like that. What if Ryan Kitty bought? Who knows? Phil singing where champions looking at this game chart amidst all these blood. I mean, we're not, you know, it's a big day, but this isn't what I'm here for. This is a little, you know, this is a little profit taking, you know, if you think it's going to continue to sell off, you know, take a little profit so you can buy more on the dip, but this is nothing. This is nothing. Today or tomorrow. Yeah, as long as it's in the 20s, I'm not really interested. Like I'm sure there's still some trading opportunity here, but if it keeps going up, that's gonna be sick. On our way up. The SPY is so volatile today, it's insane. I can't believe I bought like shares of other stocks today. Even though they're only like few $100 positions, like I haven't bought shares of another stock in so long. I mean, besides Chewy, I guess, but like besides GameStop and Chewy, I haven't pressed the buy button on another stock in like a year. take a victory lap. We deserve it. Nah, no victory laps yet. No victory laps yet. We're only up 10%, bruh. There's no victory laps here. We've seen this stock up 10% so many times. It's it's something to be excited about. It's good looking forward, but there's no victory laps here. Not even close. Not even close. Deo. Deo. You've been in here for a while, bro. Don't be saying no weird stuff. No racist shit. Like, come on, bro. Come on, bro. What's up, Kristen? Made the MicroStrategy idea start 3,000%. Maybe. That'd be crazy. Ooh, that'd be crazy. They announced they aren't letting Switch 2 pre-orders. Waiting on that now. Yeah, I saw the headline, but I haven't read it yet. All right, Jared, you have a good one, bro. Enjoy your weekend. Appreciate you always supporting the stream. Much love. Down on time, definitely a victory. Only got room for one racist old man here. Exactly. Exactly. Bad enough that I let it slide with him. But ever since I've been more like strict on the channel, I feel like he's chilled out. Just ignorant. Fair enough, but still, don't bring that here. It's a GameStop stream. Talk about GameStop or something. you know. Eating Doritos now. Nice. Doritos. Have you ever made a quesadilla with Doritos in it? That shit's fire. I would do that, but I have not. You should. You should try it. And if you cook it in a pan, I think I've talked about this before, but you like butter both sides of the queso or the tortilla, throw it in a pan, you make it like all crispy. It's fire. Fire. Throw the Doritos in there, cheese, meat if you want. Lettuce. Yada yada. Mini corn dogs at the store the other day. I love them. Is that weird? I mean, mini corn dogs are gas. They're definitely not good for you, but they are gas. I love mini corn dogs. I just never buy them because that's like all I would eat. The night I was singing Tendy Town. Let's see this. Let's see this. That does not look like you. But it's also I also can't see the full picture. But like I don't feel like that looks like you. It looks like a complete different person. That literally is me. I don't know, it's just it's funny. It's just like it just doesn't look like you. Like compared to any other picture I've seen, that just does not look like you. It's not a compliment, or I mean, it's not a compliment or not a compliment. It's just it's just that's just what I think. It just doesn't look like you. Mom's a pretty lady. Spy touches 400 or something. What'll happen in GME? I don't know. Not even something I think about. I'm what they call bullish, so the downside doesn't really matter to me. Some face painting that night. I see. Right there with you on that bullish. Yeah. Who knows what'll happen again? I mean, the market's down and GameStop's up, so I don't think I would expect that going forward if the market keeps selling off, but pretty cool. Pretty cool. Nvidia's at $94? What? Is it 94? What the hell, dude? $94? Holy shit. Holy shit. Yeah, I bet everyone wishes they were in GameStop now. All the people who are talking shit on GameStop, I bet they wish they were in it now. Oh shit. I bet they wish they were in it now. Pretty funny. Pretty funny. God, that's massive, dude. So massive. Like part of me wants to take profits on the way up again, but the real G inside of me is like, nah. Let's just see what happens. Fuck that little baby profit shit. Let's go for the gusto. Let's go for the gusto, baby. I can't believe Nvidia's at $94. That's actually fucking insane. Okay. See, that looks like you. For some reason, the YouTube one does not. It just doesn't even look like you. I don't know why. Maybe I'm just tripping. Maybe I can't tell. They're gonna say it's luck. Let's go. Let's go. Shout out Let's Go in the chat. And JG Murder. JG Murder. Hugh G, Corey G. Quit arguing. Bruh. Come on, you two. You two. Damn. What the hell is going on? I don't even have words for this. I'm just like, holy shit. Is this even, like, this doesn't even feel like it's real. This literally doesn't even feel like it's reality. Like, there's literally no like, I've been doing the stock market shit for a long time. There is no world where the fucking market's down 6% and GameStop's, or 4%, whatever, and GameStop's up fucking 12. Like, there's no world that exists. That doesn't happen. Never has happened. Yeah, that's never happened. And crypto. How is crypto up? That doesn't happen. Literally doesn't happen. Crypto is up today. Crypto is fucking up today. And the market is shitting. The market is shitting and crypto is up. Like, what? 2,000 points on the Dow, baby. 2,000 points on the Dow, and GameStop's still going. Still going, bro. What in the shit? What is going on here, brah? Man. I really want to take some profit, but, like, I really don't as well. I don't know. I would only take 50 shares anyway. It's only a drop in the bucket. Let's break 30 and then talk. I mean, I agree, but still, being up 12%, being up 12% while the market's down this much is crazy. Like, when the market was at, what was it? When the ES was at 5,600, GameStop was at $21. Now the ES is at 5,150, and we're up at over 23. Like, that's wild. And never in history, literally, never in history have you seen the market down this much and crypto not go with it. Never. This is the first time, I'm pretty sure. Pretty sure you've never seen that. I look like a jackass being all down on myself yesterday. Hey, we're not out of the woods yet, bro. We're not out of the woods yet. It happens. The stock market will make you feel some type of way sometimes. That's how they get you to act. That's how they get you to sell your investment, is by making you feel some type of way. That's how they make you buy things. You know? It's all in here. It's all in your head. Release date planned. Pre-sales may be postponed. I have an article up here saying that I guess the tariffs might affect it or something. So I don't know. I haven't read the article. It's been too much of a too crazy of a stock day to be like paying attention to anything else. Like, honestly, I wasn't even gonna get on stream today because I was just gonna research stocks and, like, potentially find some other things to buy on this dip. But it's a very exciting day. Very exciting day for GameStop. So I had to get on here. I have all weekend to research. Get to feel your feels. New strategy, so it's sign. Mind does weird things. Bitcoin equals infinity. GameStop equals 100K. When I first made 100 grand, thought I was the shit. When I first made 100 grand, thought I was a king. When I first made 100 grand, couldn't tell me nothing. Switch 2 isn't the lock we thought it'd be. Don't think it's going to affect much of .gme for a while. I mean, it's going to bring people into the store. As far as, you know, how much profit it's going to bring, I think that's pretty, like, minimal. Even if it's like one of the biggest consoles ever, it's probably a very minuscule amount of profit compared to everything else. But just getting people in the doors is what's important, I think. Getting people to just believe in GameStop again. Always look forward to Mondays after days like this. Amen. It's going to be exciting next week, I think. I don't know. You guys think they're going to pull the rug after market again? I don't know. Who cares? It's already, what do you mean? It's already down 5%. Don't forget about the in-store events too, yeah. Just getting people into the door, man. Just getting people into the door. Calls low-key printing. Yeah, I bet. You had a pretty big bounce on the market, I think. Decent bounce. Nothing like crazy, but still. Did not think we'd be closing up here. I mean, we still got 30 minutes on a very volatile day. Anything's possible. It's really nice to see us grinding, like, with, you know, good volume on the volume profile, too. Like, into the 23s. Very good to see. So our next stop should be, you know, like 25, basically. That's where everyone got screwed over after this little announcement here. Or after the earnings, you know. A lot of people bought 24 to 25 because of the earnings and the Bitcoin announcement. So you're going to see a lot of resistance as we approach 24. But as long as we can keep grinding with volume, it'll keep going up. It's just, you know, it's going to take time. You're going to see a lot of moments like this where, you know, you hit that resistance and then you sell off for like 20 minutes and then try to test it again. You're going to see a lot of that. Like, I don't know if it's just going to go fucking nuclear, if it's going to keep going up. You're just going to see a lot of resistance on the way, which isn't a bad thing because, you know, the more resistance we take out on the way up, you know, that's more support on the downside. It's great. It's great. Hugh G with the chicken parm bet, bro. With the chicken parm. Chicken parmesan. Let's go, Hugh G. God bless you, bro. Congrats on the chicken parm. Thank you for the donation, bro. I appreciate it, for real. God bless you. God bless you, my man. Appreciate you being here, showing love to the stream, being a part of the community. For real, bro. Thank you. Gotta wait till Tuesday. Yeah, it's all good. I mean, even at this price, GameStop's still a pretty good buy. You know, just because I'm thinking about taking profits doesn't really... And honestly, I like I said, I'd only take like 50 shares off, so like that's why I haven't even done it, because man, what if it just keeps going? What if it just keeps going? Anyway, you are able to change the GME stock ticker to white so it's visible again to the chart. I can't do it. I can't make it white, I don't think. I don't think it works. I guess I can do that. But then it's just not transparent. I guess that works. I guess that works. I guess that's how it was like before I made it transparent. So I just forgot you could do that. Today he eats. Yes, sir. Shout out to everyone who donated today. Thank you for real. Hugh G, Small Fry, Moose, Yomar donated a little bit. Shout out to everyone. Shout out to everyone. And thank you for being here, you know. If you're an OG in the stream, thanks for always supporting the stream. If you're new here, or if this is like you're newer here, I mean, thanks for giving the stream a second chance, or even a first chance if this is your first time. I don't take profits too slow. I mean, I usually take profits. I'm just so bullish on GameStop right now. It's crazy. You know, it doesn't mean it's gonna keep going up or anything, but that's just how I feel personally. Better get some Romano cheese on that. Stream clicker is like a clock for me. That's why I originally tuned into the stream. I'll bet. Yeah, it doesn't really work when I have Thinkorswim open. It's a good feature, I guess. Matt Romano made a good point. It's a good way to check the price without checking your portfolio. I think Marge is calling. I don't know. I think it's a good day for GameStop and bad day for the rest of the market. And we'll see what happens going forward. That's what I think. I had the ramen ready to go, but pleasantly delighted by the GME show today. Yeah, GME did not disappoint, bro. Did not disappoint. I just can't get over how, dude, the market's down so much today. Like, how is GameStop up? Makes no sense. Yeah, there's still 50 people here too. Big stream today too. Big stream. All eyes on GameStop, baby. All eyes on me. Make sure you hit that like button if you have not. All eyes on me. Great pleasure to inform you that Roaring Kitty's YOLO position is officially back in the green. We picked our boy back up. Let's go. Yeah. I think Ryan Cohen's green too. Same with Yamed. Yamed I forgot his name. Ehad. Ehad. We're go-karting our way up to the moon. Mama said that we was good kids. Corey Shakur. All eyes on GME. All eyes on GME. I bet you got a feeling you don't know who to trust. A lot of player hating traders trying to YOLO like us. I don't know that song well enough to make a full remix, but definitely had something going there. And decent one. What am I doing this weekend? Probably this. Probably just gonna surf the stock market, see if there's anything compelling. Maybe buy it next week. But yeah, I don't have anything planned for the weekend. I'm pretty boring. I'm pretty boring, man. This is my life, the stock market. This is how I live my life. What's the VIX? 43.18. Pretty massive. Quite massive. All eyes on GME. How is GameStop up 12% today? Oh, that is the dumbest shit I've ever seen in my life. I mean, not really. I've seen way dumber, but oh man, how is this up 12% today? You put on the Pink Pony Club. I never even listened to that song. I don't even know what that song's like. I'm trying to go to the Pink Pony Club. $5:36 in the morning and I'm yawning. Check my GameStop shares. Why is the who made the market crash and why? It's my homie Trump from the president's office. I don't know. Pink Poodle Club in my town. The DD of old makes this all make sense for June. The DD of old. Ah, yes. I remember the DD. The DD we've done. Remember this conversation. We're being liberated. It's Liberation Day, baby. We're getting liberated. Art thou hype date? Where art thou hype date? Why does my dog not understand the importance? Speaking of that, I wonder where my cat is. I wonder if I accidentally left her outside. Whoops. I don't think so. I don't know where she is. Orange man rad. Fake Kitty sent you a message once you left KCR. Moass made me lose my cat. No. Moass. Fear and Greed at 4. Kitties go missing for months, years at a time, but they always come home. That's funny that you say that. My cat actually did run away like a few years ago for like 2 or 3 months, and then just randomly came back. She was all fucked up, but she came back. I miss so much in 5-10 minutes when I focus at work, I swear. I mean, you didn't really miss much. We haven't even, I don't even think we've really talked about anything. We're just chilling. We're just enjoying the GameStop for what it is, you know? I've, this thing should be at like $19 at this point. Like, when you compare the rest of the market, like this should not be at a, this should not be approaching $24. So I mean, this is fantastic. I'm putting off work, bumping Pink Pony Club and dancing. I had cats that were gone for months. Yeah, it was weird. It was very weird. Now she's a big old fat lazy kitty and doesn't go anywhere. It's funny how that works. Oh, I lost my hat. You think we're gonna get any news after hours or something? I don't know. Do we deserve this? I think so. I think so. Deserve? I don't know. But we'll see what happens. You gotta remember, whenever the stock gets hype, it tends to not continue, but we'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. Like, there's definitely a part of me that wants to take some profit here, but then there's another part of me that's like, that's whack. Taking profits is whack. Trading is whack. YOLOing all your money in GameStop is cool. That's cool. Choosing our course and to move forward without fear and mainly hearts. And dance with us? Nah, no Pink Pony Club. I'll listen to Pink Pony Club when the stream ends. I would love to listen to Pink Pony Club on stream. Believe me, I would love that, but YouTube, on the other hand, does not love that. So once the stream's over, you know, I'll be dancing to Pink Pony Club. Bitcoin buy news to ignite the rocket. Yeah, that'd be crazy. Also no news. Who knows? Hype in the air. Yep. Hope Ryan Cohen's ex a little video of him dancing to the Pink Pony Club. If YOLOing all your money in GameStop is cool, then call me Miles Davis. If peeing your pants is cool, then call me Miles Davis. Lady, that is the most disgusting thing I've ever heard. I don't trade or anything, so it's not as cool, but I haven't sold, just holding. I mean, I trade. That's why it's hard for me to not take profits when I see the opportunity, but at the same time, I don't know, I just believe. I'm just a believer, bro. I'm a believer. And today has made me even more, like, each passing day, I'm more and more of a believer. It's not just, I was a believer before, but my belief gets strengthened each day. Should be able to go old streams and see it once you left. Yeah, you should. Zach Tate, what's up? 39 people here. Nice. Let's go. Pretty big stream. Pretty big stream. A share of GameStop is a ticket to the greatest show, the greatest story ever told. It's the most magnificent thing in the world. Some shares of GameStop. Ye here hold the shares of y'all, of your, I don't know. Hear ye who hold thy shares of thine company with great vigor and diamond hands. Bless those who hold this stock with conviction. Everybody loves a good story stock. Amen. Everyone loves a good growth stock. Everyone loves a company with an amazing balance sheet that's up 11% while the whole market's clapping. 20 mil volume. Damn, son. Damn, girl. You looking good. Damn, girl. Yeah, though we walk through the valley of poverty, we shall feel no sorrow, for the chart is with us. That was good. I like that. For the chart is with us. About to be an after hours party this evening. Oh, you think? You think? You think we're gonna get some more upside in after hours? Shit. I hope so. I hope so. That'd be a good time. That would be a good time. Ah, look who it is. Come ruin the party as always. Some loser. Some loser who comes and talks about GameStop and doesn't even short it. Nice. Nice. Yeah, clap him. Clap him. Show him who's boss. Clap him. Clap him. I've been lolling the entire day. Oh, man. It's a good day. It's a good day. It's a historic day. A very historic day. Hear ye, hear ye. GME will not bend to the whims of the markets. That's funny. That's funny. He removed the chat. Nah, someone, Moose clapped him. Our mod got him. Our mod got him. With Pinky's out, we will be delighted with GameStop's path. Pinky! Pinky! GME to 22 in days. GME to 30 in days. GME to 19 in days. All of these can be true at once. We ride in the volatility, baby. Amen. Facts, bro. Facts. Big facts there. The sandworm has arrived. The sandworm. I wish I had the hooks. I could just holding on to the sandworm. Hold on, the sandworm is coming. It's gonna be crazy if the sandworm comes. What happens if the sandworm comes? Hitting $24 in after hours, I feel it. Let's see. Let's see, Coach Beck. Let's see. Getting quite a bit of resistance up here, but you're not getting like last time you hit 23, it just sold off immediately, pretty decently. Like you're not really getting those sell-offs as of right now. Oh, there's only 4 minutes left of the market. That makes sense. That makes sense. Did you hear the Switch 2 is going to be exclusive to GameStop? No, I didn't hear that. Where'd you see that at? Nobody's talked about that. I don't believe that's true unless something just dropped. Yeah, I haven't seen that. I haven't seen that. Walmart and Target wouldn't let that happen, or any other big retailer. Yeah, I don't see why like Nintendo as a company would do that. They want to get it as many hands as possible. Pray, good sir, if I may be bold, GME is a profound stock that one must buy. Right so. Oh. Good times, good times. Holy shit, the market's down 6%. Holy shit. Holy shit. Crazy. Absolutely crazy. Crazy stuff. If it halts last 2 minutes, nah, I don't think it matters if it's like the last like 30 minutes of the day or something like that. Maybe even the last hour. Fuck it, I'm gonna stack this spice position a little more. Why not? Why not? Oh shit, I better do it quick. I better do it quick. 4, right? Yeah. Hurry, hurry, hurry. What the hell? Why didn't it fill me? Brother. I'm not messing. I'm not messing around. I don't care about the price. Just fill me. Thank you. I don't know why I'm buying. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit, I'm $7 negative. Fix that before the market closes. Woo! That was close. $7 negative there for a minute. Oh, that's funny. Ding 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 ding. Let's go. Let's go. Up 11%, baby. Let's go. Market's down over 6%, and GameStop is up 11, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Woo! Let's go. That's crazy. That's a big day. That's a big day. Does anyone else hear that? What is that? The dinner bell I'm hearing? Is that a dinner bell? Is that a dinner bell? Are the tendies almost done? Are the tendies cooking? Is that the dinner bell I hear? If it's not the dinner bell, I don't know. I don't know if I hear it. I don't know if I'm hearing it right if it's not the dinner bell. Oh, man. Oh, man. Massive day, bro. Massive day, bro. Let's go. Crazy. What's up, Kristen? Shout out to everyone here, bro. Shout out to everyone here. Pretty historical day in the stock market. Never in my lifetime. Never in my lifetime have I seen the market down 6% and Bitcoin not moving. Like, what? How is GameStop up 11% today? That makes no sense. No sense. 0 cents are made here. Like, what? Like, what? How do I fix this? Oh. There we go. There we go. Perfect. Crazy. Crazy day. Like, how is the S&P down 6% today? How's that even a thing? How's that even reality? Like, what? Oh man, down 6%. Still falling. Still falling in after hours here. Incredible. Absolutely incredible. My collateral. My collateral. Not my collateral. No. This is beautiful. What a beautiful day. What a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day. All right. You know, Cam, I've given you many chances, but you don't get any more chances. I don't care, but you're gonna come and disturb my chat, bro. You're gonna come talk. I don't care if you talk shit to me. You can talk shit to me all you want, but you're gonna come talk shit to my chat. You can go fuck yourself, my friend. You, sir, can go fuck yourself. He didn't really say anything, but Cam's a brokey, so his opinion doesn't really matter anyway. Oh, the market's closed. I was gonna try to buy another share of SPY, but the market's closed. Well, look at that candle on the monthly, bro. Holy shit. Look at that shit. That's how you start. That's how you start a month. That's how you start a month right there. That's incredible. That's actually incredible. Actually incredible. All right, well, I'm closing the account. We're done with the account here for now till Monday. Vanishes into the ether. Dude's just hurting. It's whatever. Yeah. It's whatever. It's whatever. I've given him plenty of chances. Now it's I've given him more chances than anyone, honestly. How's Max Payne looking? Max Payne was yesterday when I stubbed my toe. I feel like Max Payne was today if you were long the tech. Max Payne had to be today, right? What do you think? Do you think we get any news of any sorts? I don't feel like we're going to. What was I gonna look? I was gonna go to right here. Gonna look on Google. I won't sell my shares until I have enough to pay King Griffin to change his legal name to Max Payne and retire. I hope we get news. It'd be really good. Out here, I gotta buy some chicken nuggets with small fries with my profit today. Let's go, small fry. Hey, I appreciate you, small fry. Thank you for always supporting the channel, bro. For always supporting the stream. Like, God bless you, my friend. God bless ya. You help keep this stream alive in a lot of ways, you know. That 20 bucks may not seem, you know, that 20 bucks may not seem like it goes far, but shit, over time, that adding up, you brought a lot of value to the stream, and I appreciate it. We've had a ton of news this last week. My bet's no news. Yeah, I don't even think you need news today. You're up fucking 11%. Like, you know, the news is nice on down days. Realistically, that's when the news is the best. Updated their investor relation page ever since they changed that page. They've been bussin'. It's true. There has been a lot of news lately. Big bald doofus announces Bitcoin purchase. Maybe on a down. I don't know. I feel like they're gonna wait till next earnings for that, personally. But I don't know. Or you'll see it on another down day or something. $20 turns to 10 fast though. Peace out, small fry. Yeah, I probably won't stick around here much for too long either. It's been a good stream though. Really good stream. Crazy. peak of 55 people, 58, something like that. Pretty solid, especially for only a 3-hour stream, 3 hours and a half. Really good. $23.41 Keith Gill's cost basis, somewhere around there. I don't know. I don't know the exact amount. Memes on Reddit later will be glorious. Glorious memes. Glorious. So glorious. I can't even believe today happened. It literally doesn't even seem real. Honestly. Like GameStop should be in the shitter. It should not be up 11%. Hey, you have a good weekend. Let's go. I appreciate you, bro. Appreciate you hanging out today. Hopefully we'll see you in here again. Mr. Patcher may have to readjust his price. It'd be dope if we got another Wedbush upgrade. That would be really cool to see. If you get an upgrade to $15 or something. That'd be beautiful. Because analysts have to be looking at this like, what? What? Holy shit, I can't believe how much the market's down, bro. This is so crazy. Intel finally broke that historical support, it looks like. Or, oh, it's approaching it again. It might actually break it this time. I don't know if that play is gonna work again or not. That's tough to say. That's tough to say. This is wow. No words for the stock market right now. This is crazy. All right. I want to read this article before I leave at least. All right. Nintendo halts Switch 2 pre-orders over Trump's tariffs. Switch 2 pre-orders were supposed to begin on April 9th. No longer, in an unprecedented move, Nintendo announced on Friday that it's halting pre-orders for its upcoming $450 hardware launch because of new tariffs in the US set to go into effect beginning on April 5th. A statement from Nintendo, first obtained by GameStop, reads, pre-orders for Nintendo Switch 2 in the US will not start April 9th, 2025. In order to assess the potential impact of tariffs and evolving market conditions, Nintendo will update timing at a later date. The launch date of June 5th, 2025 is unchanged. Switch 2 reveal this week showcased big new games like Mario Kart World and Donkey Kong Bonanza, but also big new price jumps that took fans by surprise. On the same day the Switch 2 was revealed, President Trump announced new tariffs of over 20 and 40% on some countries, including China, Vietnam, and Japan. They could push game and Switch 2 hardware pricing even higher for players in the US. Starting later this month, on April 10th, Trump has already said he's open to negotiating a new trade taxes. However, and Nintendo could be waiting to see if he reverses course before moving ahead with pre-orders, as previously planned for the Switch 2's June 5th release. Pre-orders were set to begin next week, with retailers like Best Buy and Walmart already promising midnight launches for the most anticipated console launch in years. Pre-orders will also set to take place directly through Nintendo beginning in May, though with a series of strict requirements that would exclude all but the most hardcore fans from having a shot at qualifying. Even before the latest Trump tariffs were announced, fans had been calling on Nintendo to drop the price of the Switch 2 and Mario Kart World, which is set to be the company's first $80 release. Chants of drop the price have been flooding the Nintendo Treehouse live streams on YouTube, meant to showcase exclusive new footage of the company's new Switch 2 games. Damn, 85,000 viewers and everyone in chat spamming drop the price. That's crazy. That's a lot. That's a lot of viewers. The tariff, should they go into effect as planned, could raise prices by hundreds of dollars on the most expensive electronics, unless Nintendo decides to eat the cost of the tax by letting it cut and switch to profit margins. Many analysts had speculated that the company has already built uncertainty around higher tariffs amid an escalating trade war into its current $450 pricing of the Switch 2. But its latest statement suggests the console could end up costing even more in the US by the time it launches in June. The Entertainment Software Association, a U.S. trade group that represents Nintendo and other gaming companies, said the tariffs are going to have a real and detrimental impact on the video game industry. ESA Senior Vice President Aubrey Quinn told GameFile this week, every company, every industry, the video game industry included, needs to think about what's best for the consumers, best for business, and best for the employees. Supply chains are complicated, and certainly supply chains don't change overnight. Everything that is considered or decided can't be a quick turnaround and can't be a knee-jerk reaction to any particular announcement. Okay. Not as interesting as I thought it was going to be. Let me see if there's any other articles. While we wait to see if there's any news or anything. Edward Jones sent me something. Who's Edward Jones? Where my money guy works seems to be an info pamphlet on tariffs. Says recession risks are very high. Who cares? GameStop stock's very high. That'd be my response to that. Bitcoin's very high. It's gonna be interesting when we post this GDP and it's not as bad as everyone says. I should send them a DD pamphlet for GME about MOS. It's just a pamphlet. Inside's a picture of Roaring Kitty holding a beer. Cheers! Cheers! Yeah, it doesn't look like we're gonna get anything. Does anyone have anything to talk about before we head out of here? Because it doesn't look like there's any news that I'm interested in. So if there's anything we should talk about before we leave, put it in the chat. If not, I mean, hopefully you enjoy your weekend. Hopefully it's a good one. Hopefully GameStop keeps killing it, because that would be pretty exciting. That would be pretty exciting if it kept going up. We'll see, though. Second page is Ryan Cohen in his fancy slim-fitting leather jacket giving a replica jacket to Warren Buffett. Hype date revealed. You see in the headlines? What headlines? All I'm seeing are just repeats of Ryan Cohen buying. He didn't buy more, did he? I mean, I feel like the stock would have reacted if he bought more. But I'm not seeing any. Not seeing any headlines. Corduroy pillowcases have been making... Wait, what? Corduroy pillowcases? What does that mean? What does that even mean? Hit that old trail. So hit the old dusty trail. Ripped for no one's pleasure. Yeah, I think it's about time. I guess we're not getting any news. Oh well. It's been a fantastic week. A crazy week. Like what is going on? What is reality anymore? Like how is Bitcoin up today? How is Bitcoin still above 80,000? I'll never know. But yeah, I guess we're getting out of here. So I hope you guys have a good weekend. Thank you for always supporting the stream, for real, especially if you're a OG and you're here every day. Like, God bless you. Thank you, for real. I could not, there's no way I could ever express how much I appreciate you guys hanging out here. So I'm sorry, but thank you. Any new people, you know, if it's your first time here, give the stream another chance. I stream every day when the market's open, so. And if anyone, you know, you're newer here, just thank you for giving the stream another chance. God bless you. And I think that's about it. So I hope you guys have a good weekend. Shout out to everyone. 6ix9ine, Hugh G, Siegel, Matt Romano, Moose again, Small Fry. I don't know who's all here right now. James Price, Zach Tate, Let's Go, Ken Griffin, RL, KCR, Coach Beck. Like, I'm sure I'm gonna miss some names, so if you want a shout out, type in the chat. Kristen. So many names. I'm sure I'm forgetting some people. These days it's hard to remember everyone, so I'm sorry if I missed your name. You gotta type in the chat more if I missed your name, because it's hard to remember everyone. Alex Schur and Decent. God bless you guys. Thank you. My dog Pudge. Shout out Pudge. Shout out to Pudge. A good doggo. Alright. You guys have a good weekend. I'll catch you guys on Monday. Let's go! Let's go! Let's see what next week brings. Shit, let's see what the rest of this month brings. The rest of this month could be exciting. It could be a good time. I don't know. Alright. I'll catch you guys later. Peace!